Hello guys! Let's learn some colors name. Dark green color, sky blue color, violet color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, purple color, red color, dark blue color, black color, brown color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for avocado. B for box. C for cake. D for dolphin. E for egg. F for fruits. G for glass. H for hand. I for iron. J for juice. K for kingfisher. L for lollipop. M for monkey. N for nose. O for oxygen. P for parrot. Q for quilt. R for rose. S for sky. T for toy. U for universe. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zipper. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.